Hello, so in this video we would practice filtering and sorting of a dataset using Pandas libraries. So first we'll start by importing our library, which is in Pandas. So import Pandas as PD. Then so this is the raw data we have, and this is about a fictional army, and it has a couple of columns like regiment, company, dates, battles, size, veterans, readiness, armored, deserters, origin. Okay, so now we have been asked to create a data frame and assign it to a variable called army. So let's do that. So army pd dot, we'll use a data frame here. In data I'll pass this raw data, and then simply I will print this. So let's see. So this is how you convert a raw data to a table, okay, like a data set of tables. Then it says set the origin column as the index of the data frame, mean the index column, right? So let's do this. So army dot set index, which column? Origin in place true. And then if we print this, okay, don't. Okay, now it's done. Now it says print only the column veterans. So for that we'll use army dot veterans, right? And this will give us the column of veterans with origin. Now it says print the columns veterans and death. We'll do that using army. We have two columns, so one veterans, and in second it says deaths. Yeah, so it has veterans and death and with the origin. Then it says print the name of all the columns. We do that using army dot columns. All right, now it says select the deaths, size and deserters column from Maine and Alaska. Okay, so army dot location of where we have Maine and Alaska. We'll choose death, it will be deaths, then size, then deserters. Yeah, so this will give us death, size, deserters of origin Maine and Alaska. Now it says select the rows 3 to 7 and the column 3 to 6. We'll do that using iloc function. So army dot iloc, it says 3 to 7 mean 2 is to 7. 2 mean 2 plus 1 from 3 to 7, and there we have 3 to 6 mean 2 to 6. Okay, it gives us this. Next we have select every row after the fourth row and all the columns. Okay, select every row after the fourth row. So army dot iloc gives 4, then we'll do a step. Okay, then it says select every row up to the 4th row and all the columns. For that, army.iloc will do from beginning to 4, then from 3 to 7. So yeah, okay, now it says select the 3rd column up to the 7th column. Let's do this. Select the 3rd column up to 2nd column, up to 7th column. So army.iloc, what we'll do now, simply do this, then 2 to 7, mean 3rd column to 7th column. Okay. Now it says select the rows where df.depth is greater than 50. Let's do this. So armies deaths, which will be greater than 50. It gives us these origins where deaths will be greater than 50. Now it says select rows where df.depth is greater than 500 or less than 50. So army deaths is gotta be greater than 500 or no, it's so I will be within same, we'll be using OR logic. So or in the first bracket army of deaths, and this will be less than 50. Yes, so this gives us greater than 50 or less than 50. Now we have select the regiments not named dragoons. Okay, so army, what you want, regiment which is not is equals to dragoons. So yeah, here you say there is no dragoons, it's nighthawks and scouts. Then select the rows called Texas and Arizona. Okay, so for that we'll use lock function. So army.lock, we has Texas and we has Arizona, then simply right. So we have Texas and Arizona. Now it says select the 3rd cell in the row named Arizona. So we first have to locate Arizona. So loc so in this row, what we simply do, we'll simply army dot loc Arizona, then we'll use iloc function to select the 3rd row, 3rd cell in the row. So okay, so it says 523 of deaths, because if you see there regiment company deaths, so it's the 3rd column. Okay, now we have the last one which says select the 3rd cell down in the column named deaths. Okay, so army dot loc have deaths, then iloc 2. So we are selecting the third cell down in the columns of deaths. So in death, Texas. Yeah, in deaths we have the third row, so Arizona, California and Texas. It gives us Texas. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.